Hello and welcome to this demonstration video of my Style Stage project. So this project was made by a group of individuals, Brian Linesby, Eddie Gonzalez, and of course myself, Mike Downs. So I'm just going to go through like the web page here. I'll point out the parts that I specifically worked on and built. Um, so we'll just start here. So the parts, at least, so just I guess to get a look and feel of the page. So the whole point of the Style Stage is you're given a page with a bunch of HTML elements on it, and the goal is to take all these elements and style them with Sass and CSS. Um, but some of the rules, though, is you're not allowed to use JavaScript at all, and you're not allowed to touch the HTML. So basically, everything you see on the page here, is the HTML, and I did not add it. If anything was added, I added it through CSS and Sass. So to get started here, so as you can see, we have like a little simple like header here. We have like the links colored. Use some CSS animation and keyframes to make a little star spin, and like a hover effect. And also have like a little nav bar that will just simply go to different parts on this page. It'll just jump to it. So then if you keep going, we have like a little quote box, bunch of text. You can see like we have a parallax kind of background here. And then there's a bunch more buttons. And then here we have some photos with some hover effects on it. And then the footer. So a pretty simple web page, but the whole point of it was to just try and style it to however you wanted. Now, the parts of the web page that I built were the header, the footer, the nav bar, and everything from source files all the way down, all the way down. So like here, I did all this, made the star, spin, made the nav bar sticky so it stays at the top of the page. Made these three buttons just kind of, spread out. Made a little card, whatever, kind of cool. But the part I'm really proud of is these cards right here. So I saw these on a CodePen, and I thought, man, that's a really cool CodePen. It was like first time like contacts or whatever, and I was thinking, you know what, that would be kind of cool to have. So I got the photos from Unsplash since they're free. And I basically just used the before pseudo class and was able to put them before, the element. So I didn't have to touch the HTML or anything. I just set it before, set a width and height to it, and had a background image, and just had it fill in there. And I just mimicked the CodePen as much as I could. I didn't copy and paste any code for them. I just looked at, studied their code, saw how they did the effects. I had to do some things differently in order to make it work on this web page, but then I was able to get it to work, and I'm really happy with the final product. So the last thing I'll show is just like a version of the mobile. Since we can't use JavaScript, we can do like a hamburger menu. So we just use Flexbox and just have it wrap. Scroll down here. So just make those stack, make the cars stacks, and then instead of like hovering, I just make them slide in and out. But yeah, so that is my style stage. I guess my team style stage. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.